Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor, where you dead it yourself. I'm Dakota Sky, and this is our first project together, the Laugh Every Day, Slaughter Every Day sign. Now this is a budget-friendly and beginner-friendly project. I picked up this laminate board from Walmart for around $3. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this twine hanger that is on here. It is cute, it's just not the look I'm going for, so I'll be placing something else in there later on. Make sure you wipe your board down, and then we're going to get right into it with the stencils. Now I do realize I should have taped these together to make one stencil. However, I did not think of that at the time, so I do paint these on one at a time, but that is okay. It still turned out great. Now, you don't have to use stencils. You can freehand everything, you can use stencils for everything. I tried chalk pen. I ended up erasing it just because I didn't like the way it looked. And if you want to make this project even more budget friendly, you don't have to go out and buy a piece of laminate board. You could use a piece of cardboard that's lying around your house, or poster board or foam board, something like that. And you can create whatever shape you want. This was my first attempt at freehand. Looking back, I do wish I would have stuck with this. I think the angle that it's at is very cute, but at the time, I did not like it, so I did erase it. Now, I probably wrote the word every day close to 20 times between experimenting with the chalk pen and the stencils and freehanding it. Eventually, I said, enough is enough. I'm just gonna do it and be happy with it. But I did take a lot of time to go back and fix the details and the edges. And like I said, this project is very beginner friendly. You can wipe this board clean over and over with just a damp paper towel. Now, these stencils came with the same stencils that I used for Laugh. I got them from Walmart for $5. I really love these because I felt like it gives the project a Art Deco vibe. And of course, this was another part of the project that I Was not happy with the first outcome, so I did erase it. Ta-da! Now it was time for the fun part, the red paint. However, some of you may know I did have some issues with my footage, and that is the footage that is lost. So there's the S. Fun fact, that S only took me one try, and I was very happy with it. Now the T, E, and R at the end, I did do 3 times, so the red acrylic washed off nicely as well. And when I was happy with the letters, I did go over them again with more red paint. And there is the beautiful blood splatter on the right-hand side. The footage of me getting that is gone as well. But I did get that on the first try. I thought the spacing looked great, so I'm happy I didn't have to redo that part. I did go in with some black paint as well to fix the edges around the word every day. And once I liked it, I did take it outside and coat it with a clear matte spray paint. Now the last step is to just put our ribbon through so we can hang it on the wall. I did just have this ribbon lying around in my stash. I wanted the ribbon and some of the lettering to match, that's why I didn't think the twine went well with the project. I'm really happy with how this turned out though. And there you are, folks. Slaughter every day. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and come back next week for an all-new spooky DIY. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay spooky.